Hello, my dear. Good morning. Now, today, I want to tell you people something which is very important for man's life. We people come in the category of human being, and humanity is the best creature in all other creatures, and therefore, the result of the humanity should also be the best. Now, what is the best matter? What is the best thing on the stage of the world where you have sent by God only for the purpose of displaying your actual duty role to find out what is the satisfaction, what is the God, what are its qualities, and for which purpose man has come on the stage of the world. He is an actor. According to Shakespeare, the whole world is just like a stage on which every man and woman are merely players. I have to do something, and after that, after finishing the duty role of my life, I am to go just in front of the God. During this period, what is necessary? That is only and only to research out about the satisfaction. And satisfaction is the second name of God. Satisfaction is the second name of supreme power. Second name of the spirituality also. And therefore we should be connected to the spiritual power if I want to get actual and permanent satisfaction. Without it, it is not possible, because satisfaction is the other name of God. Satisfaction, peace, happiness, contentment, all these are only the names of God, which are synonyms about which we should understand first of all. Now, what is your duty? As Shakespeare has told, the whole world is a stage on which every man and woman are merely players. They have their existence, and after that they have to go away. So that I want to say you people that you are to concentrate the standpoint of your life only and only on the beauty, vitality, activity, and prosperity. Beauty, vitality, activity, and prosperity, these are those qualities which are available already in the personality of God. And so, if I want to be beautiful, if I want to be strong, powerful, courageous, so beauty, vitality, activity, activity if you want to do, positivity if you want to follow in your life. So these are those qualities which are only and only in the figure and picture and personality of God, and we will have to attach myself therefore to the power of God, that is called supreme power, that is omnipresent, that is omniscient, that is omnipotent, all kinds of the good qualities which are available only and only in the power of God. Therefore, I want to say you people to love only God, to worship only God, and to everything that you have under your possession must be sacrificed by you on the altar of God. It is only my statement, it is only my request to you people to change the intention of your mind if it has become or it has been involved in worldly affairs. World is a destructive thing. It will be destroyed, destructed once upon a certain time, and there is only God that will remain after the destruction of everything, and on the day of judgment, God will help me. God will give me all kinds of the facilities which are necessary for you to sustain your life as you are looking on the stage of the world. In the same way, you are to do something in the next life. Thank you. Next time I will tell you something about the spirituality and how can you get the society of spirituality, how can you achieve the combination of the God and supreme power. All these qualities and merits will be described by me in the next period. Thank you very much.